Next question. If the abscissa of points a comma b are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0 and ordinates of a comma b are roots of y square plus 2by minus q square is equal to 0, then find the equation of a circle for which AB has a diameter. AB has a diameter. So now let A point be, let A point is A of x1 comma y1 and B point is x2 comma y2. So given see, so if the abscissa of points a comma b are abscissa means x coordinates. So given x coordinates of a and b. So given given x1 comma x2 are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0. X square plus 2ax minus b square is equals 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation. So in quadratic equation, see, ax square plus bx ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if x1 comma x2 are roots of above equation, then sum of roots formula x1 plus x2 minus b by a and product of roots x1 x2 is equals c by a, right? So in this equation, given x1 comma x2 are the roots of equation, that is x square plus 2ax minus b square equals 0, right? So here x1 plus x2 is equals minus b by a. So here x coefficient is 2a, so minus 2a by x coefficient minus 2a by x square coefficient 1. So x1 plus x2 is equals minus 2a by 1 is equals minus 2a, and product of roots x1 x2 is equals, so product of roots is equals c by a. So here c is equals minus b square by a is equals x square coefficient, that is 1. So x1 x2 is equals minus b square, right? And also given y1 comma y2 are the roots of y square plus 2py minus q square is equals 0. So given, so ordinates of a comma b are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square is equal 0. So here sum of roots y1 plus y2 is equals minus b by a. So minus b, that is here y coefficient is 2p. So minus 2p by y square coefficient 1. So minus 2p by 1 is equals minus 2p, and product of roots y1 y2 is equals c by a. So here c is equals minus q square and y square coefficient 1. So here x1 x2 is equals c by a, product of roots. So here c is equals, that is minus q square by y square coefficient a. So minus q square by a, minus q square by y square coefficient 1, that is minus q square. Now the equation of the equation of the circle AB as a diameter is, so AB as a diameter is, AB as a diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals 0. So now multiply x into x, x square, x into minus x2 minus x into x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 minus x1 into minus x2 minus plus x1 x2 plus y into y square, y into minus y2 minus y2 minus y1 into y minus y1 minus y1 into minus y2 plus y1 y2 is equals 0. Okay. So here write x square plus y square. Now minus x2 minus x1, take here minus x common, minus x into x1 plus x2. See here minus x into x1 minus x1 minus x into plus x2 minus x2. Now here minus y common, so y1 plus y2, so minus y into y1 minus y1 minus y into plus y2 minus y2. So remaining terms plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equals 0. Okay. Now substitute. So right here x square plus y square minus x into substitute here x1 plus x2, that is x1 plus x2 is equals minus 2a minus y into, so minus y into y1 plus y2 is equals minus 2p. Substitute y1 plus y2 is equals minus 2p plus x1 x2 is equals, so x1 x2 is equals minus b square next. So plus y1 y2 is equals minus q square is equals 0. So x square plus y square minus x into minus 2a plus 2ax minus y into minus 2p plus 2py. So here take minus common. Minus into b square plus q square is equals 0. Equals 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by minus into b square plus q square is equals 0. Okay. Next question. Show that a of 3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Also find the other end of the diameter through A. So the given point is, that is A point 3 comma minus 1, and the given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equals 0. Okay. Now find here. So compare the given equation with s equals 0. That is general equation. We get 2g is equals minus 2 and 2f is equals 4 and c is equals 0. So 2 1s are g is equals minus 1, 2 1s are 2 2s are, f is equals 2, and the center is equals center capital C is equals minus g comma minus f, that is g equal minus 1, so minus g equal 1, f is equal 2, minus f equals minus 2. This is center. Now so show that A lies on the circle. Now substitute the given point on the circle equation. Okay. Now let this is equation 1. Now put A of 3 comma minus 1 in equation 1. So that is x square plus y square. Substitute x equal 3 and y is equals minus 1. X equal 3 and y equals minus 1. So 3 square, x square 3 square plus y square minus 1 whole square minus 2x. So minus 2 into x is equals 3 plus 4y plus 4 into y is equals minus 1. 4 into minus 1. So 3 square 9 plus minus 1 whole square 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So 9 plus 1 10 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. So 10 minus 10 0. So therefore A lies A of 3 comma minus 1 lies on the given circle. Next, so next also find the other end of the diameter through A. Now let b of x comma y be the other end of the diameter. Other end of the diameter meter through A. So let this is A point and this is diameter and B be the other end of the diameter and C be the center. So from diagram here, center is equals center is equals midpoint of midpoint of AB. So center C is equals so center C is equals, that is 1 comma minus 2, center 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2 and midpoint of AB. So A is equals A point, that is A point 3 comma minus 1, A point 3 comma minus 1. Minus 1. So now midpoint of AB is equals. So midpoint formula, midpoint, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is midpoint of AB. So A is equals, right, A point 3 plus x1 x2, 3 plus x by 2 comma y1, that is minus 1 plus y, minus 1 plus y by 2. Here 3 plus x by 2 is equals 1 and minus 1 plus y by 2 is equals minus 2. So 3 plus x is equals 2 into 1 2, x is equals 2 minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. So here minus 1 plus y is equals 2 into minus 2 minus 4, comma y is equals minus 4 plus 1, comma y is equal minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Therefore other end of the diameter is B is equals minus 1 comma minus 3. Next one, find the equation of the circle passing through origin and making intercepts 4, 3 on x and y axis respectively. So the equation of the circle, passing through origin is origin 0, 0 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal 0. Here c is equal 0, and given, so circle making intercepts 4, 3 on x and y axis respectively. So given circle making circle making intercepts 4, 3 on x axis and y axis, so that is, so 2 into square root of g square minus c is equal to c. So given here on x axis equals 4 and circle making intercepts on y axis, that is 2 into square root of f square minus c is equals, given this is 3. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are squaring on both sides. Square root of g square minus substitute c is equal to 0 whole square 2 square, square root cancel, g square is equals 2 square 4, g is equal plus or minus 2, and square root of f square minus c is equals 0 is equals 3 by 2. Now squaring on both sides. Square root of f square whole square is equals 3 by 2 whole square. Square root cancel, f square is equals 9 by 4. F is equals square root of 9 by 4 plus or minus 3 by 2. So g is equal plus or minus 2 and f is equal plus or minus 3 by 2 and c equal 0. And the required equation of the circle is, so equation of the required circle is, now substitute g comma f comma c in general equation. So x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 into g is equals plus or minus 2, 2gx plus 2 into plus or minus f is equal 3 by 2, 3 by 2 3 by 2 y and c equal 0. So 2 ones are is x square plus y square, so plus 2 into plus or minus 2 plus or minus 4x plus or minus 3y is equal 0. This is the required equation of the circle.